Many people associate Lighting Recipe Studio with healthy light, human-centric lighting, research, and standards advocacy. But if you had to explain it clearly to the market what role Lighting Recipe Studio plays in this collaboration, how would you describe it?
I would say very clearly that Lighting Recipe Studio is not here to become another luminaire brand, nor are we here simply to provide theory. What we do is translate the understanding of the human relevant light environment into the capability that a system can actually use. That includes several layers. First, measurement and sensing. We need to know what is actually happening in the space. Second, spatial models and human factors models. Not every space should use the same kind of light, and not every person responds to the light in the same way. So we need to integrate the people, space, time, and the intended activity. Third, the verification and the optimization. A truly good system is not one that is configured once and left alone. It is one that can learn and adjust over time. So, in a collaboration, the role of Lighting Recipe Studio is to provide the technical foundation and allow Traxon EQ system to better understand the more meaningful light for people actually means.